Now let us see customer complaint handling process. Why do customer complain? They will complain if their expectations not met, if the promises are broken, if the organization interrogating the customer. They will also complain for the rudeness nature. If the customer suspicious about the organization, they will also complain if the organization not paying attention to the customer. Now, the following steps describe customer complaint handling procedure. Step 1. Listen and understand the customer complaint. First, always listen to the customer. Take the time to listen and truly understand what is driving their concern. Step 2. Empathize. Be in their position to create a good relationship with them. Customer needs to feel like supplier on his side and have a better understanding of their situations. Step 3. Collecting all the facts. This is nothing but letting the customer give all the information related to the problem. Analyzing the facts provided by the customer. Step 4. Offer a solution. It may not be exactly what they are asking for, but customer accept it. Customer analyzes the solution provided by the supplier. Step 5. Execute the solution. If the customer agrees with the solution, execute it to solve it permanently. Permanent solution given by the supplier for the customer complaint. Step 6. Follow up. Follow up with them to make sure that they are satisfied with the solution. Avoid repeatability of the problem in future. This is the general format for customer complaint register. This includes customer details, complaint reference information, product details, nature of complaint, action taken, and who solved it. Now, what is meant by customer satisfaction? Customer satisfaction measures how well the expectations of a customer concerning a product or service provided by the company have been met. Customer satisfaction surveys are used to gauge customer satisfaction by gathering their opinion about supplying a product or service. Satisfaction usually indicated by a percentage of indexes called customer satisfaction index. Customer satisfaction index defined as a degree of satisfaction provided by the goods or services of a company as measured by the number of repeat customers. Surveys collect information from the following areas: quality of the product, response to the inquiry, delivery performance, response to problems, service personal issues. Customer satisfaction survey form consists of information about survey period, location details, customer details, survey points and its voting criteria, calculation part of obtained votes, and finally received total satisfaction index, etc. This is the Key Performance Index or KPI of Sales and Marketing Department on OTD or On-Time Delivery Performance. Here, month-wise sample trend chart generated in terms of percentage in order to analyze performance of Sales and Marketing Department. And this is the KPI of Sales and Marketing Department on customer satisfaction. Here, month-wise sample trend chart generated in terms of percentage in order to analyze performance of Sales and Marketing Department.